next category is law, and the award is the Corporate Lawyer of the Year. Award goes to Miss Sonia Bharaj, another women.
Hello and welcome to the Leaders Award 2024. I, Neha Srivastava, standing with a very beautiful lady. What's your good name, ma'am?
Advocate Sonia Bharaj.
Okay, Sonia, ma'am, I really want to know, how are you feeling today?
Good, good. It's good. Like your achievement has been celebrated being a top 50 Leaders Award as a Corporate Lawyer of the Year.
Oh my God, Corporate Lawyer of the Year. So, could you please tell us about your work? How hard it is, how tough it is?
Oh, so basically I'm an advocate and company secretary, and then I've done masters and other things from the top Indian universities and the international universities. So my work, like I have several corporate clients, individual clients, and then it is about basically since being a corporate one, so it is including contracts, Companies Act. It's all boring stuff, that's not very interesting, data protection, etc. So of course my idea being a lawyer is to give expert legal advice and consultancy, and also the litigating and then fighting for people's justice and their equality and the rights. This is what
That's great. I would say you are doing the toughest job, but congratulations. You